Have you ever felt scared to speak English in front of others? Your mind knows the words, but your voice disappears. Today, follow Emma's journey as she overcomes fear, learns simple English sentences, and gains confidence. Let's begin this inspiring story and start speaking English without fear.
David, I feel so nervous whenever I try to speak English in public.
Why, Emma? You speak well when we talk.
Yes, but in front of others, I forget everything. My mind goes blank.
That's fear, not lack of knowledge. You're afraid of people's judgment.
I think people will laugh if I make mistakes.
And what if they do? So what? Everyone makes mistakes when learning.
But it feels embarrassing.
Emma, do you remember when you learned to ride a bicycle?
Yes, I fell many times.
Exactly. But you didn't stop. You fell, stood up, and learned. English is just the same. You know, when we speak English, grammar helps us feel confident. Let's use simple present tense today. It's used for daily habits. For example, I speak English every day. You watch English videos. We learn new words together. Repeat these daily and you'll sound natural.
I speak English every day.
Good. Say it louder and with confidence.
I speak English every day.
Perfect. You already sound more confident.
Sometimes I know what to say in my mind, but words don't come out.
That's because you think too much before speaking. Don't aim for perfect English. Aim for real communication.
But what if I use the wrong word?
Then you correct yourself and move on. The world doesn't end because of a grammar mistake. You know, confidence grows with small wins. Try speaking to one person daily, a shopkeeper, a friend, or even yourself in the mirror.
Talking to myself in the mirror?
Yes. Say things like, I am confident. I speak English clearly. I am improving every day.
That sounds easy.
It is. The more you speak, the more natural you'll feel. So, how was your week of practice?
I did it! I spoke to a stranger at the cafe in English. My hands were shaking, but I did it!
That's amazing, Emma. See? You can speak English in public.
Yes, I still make mistakes, but I'm not scared anymore.
That's the spirit. Remember, confidence doesn't come from perfection. It comes from courage.
Thank you, David. From now, I'll keep speaking, even if I make mistakes.
That's how every great English speaker starts.
Remember, true confidence comes from trying, not being perfect. Speak a little every day. Embrace mistakes and keep improving. Like Emma, you can overcome fear and speak English confidently. If this story inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motivational English learning videos.